Window sounds like Contra Bullet Storm free 8-bit concert. AC offers hot breath zero wind policy. Brake pedal gives full body vibration, massage chair included. Tech finds customer used pliers to clamp, brake. Line pads and rotors are now archaeological relics. Behold freshly excavated artifact from brake burial ground. Brake pads possibly stolen by Tomb Raiders, mystery unsolved. Customer reports brakes work only in imagination mode. Undercarriage leaks oil, engine wraps, beatbox 43,000 kn no oil change, engine now running on fossilized hope. Rear wheel wobbles like hula hoop champion during commute. Shift cable snapped, leaving car stuck in 4th gear, manual video game hard mode. Luckily clutch burn start still works, cheat code unlocked. Car refuses to start, customer reports explosive battery failure. Batteries swollen like balloon, animal busted, wires popping out like party streamers. Customer says car refuses to charge, phone or soul. On board charger MOSFET tube roasted into charcoal briquette state. MOSFET tube straight up exploded, confetti achieved.